Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another question from the topic of functions. The functions f and g are defined below. What is the value of g5? F of x is given as x plus 6 and g of x is given as 3 plus f of x. To find the value of g5, we must substitute 5 for x. So 3f5. So the value of g5 is depending on the value of f5. So we need to go ahead and calculate the value of f5. So let me do that over here. f5 in the equation, wherever I see x, which is, I just saw it in here, I substituted 5 for it. 5 plus 6. That gives us 11. So if I will substitute this value over here, 3 plus 11, that's going to give us 14. So the choice C is the answer for this specific question. I hope you find this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, see you. Bye-bye.